Hi everyone. Today I'm going to take one more question from ACT papers. But before doing that, we need to remember a spatial right angle triangle that's 30, 60, 90-degree spatial right triangle. What we need to remember for this 30, 60, 90 spatial triangle, the smallest side is XZ, right? This is the smallest side. If the length of the smallest side is X centimeter, right? Then the hypotenuse will be double the length of the smallest side, which is 2 times x then. And the length of the adjacent side will be square root 3 times the length of the smallest side, which is xz. This shortcut we need to remember for this spatial right triangle. Now, if we go to the question, we have two spatial right triangles. This one is the first one, which is a 60, 30, 90 or 30, 60, 90, whatever you call. And another one is this one, the larger one, right? That's also a 30, 60, 90. So this is going to be 60 degree and this is going to be the 30 degree, which is given. Now, we can start with the smallest one, right? So for the smallest one, for this triangle, the smallest side, let's say I consider this is the smallest side. CD is the smallest side, right? If it's X, then this one is the hypotenuse, right? And this one is the adjacent side. And according to the diagram, the hypotenuse will be double the length of X. And this side will be square root 3 times X, right? And that's certain. Now, if I go to the larger triangle, this triangle, for the blue triangle, which one is the smallest side? Square root 3x, right? And how to get the length of the hypotenuse? It's double the length of the smallest side, which is square root 3 times x, right? And the adjacent side, which is this one, the total length, that would be from this to this length is square root 3 times the length of the smallest side, right? You can see that from there, right? So what is square root 3 times square root 3 of x? That's 3x, right? So what did we get basically? This length is x, and starting from this point to that point, the length is 3x. That means this length will be 2 times x, right? Correct? So this 2x, this length, the b to d, is given in the figure. How much is it? 100. So if 2x equals 100, we can say x equals 50 degrees then. I mean 50 centimeter or whatever the length is. Then what is the length of A to C? A to C, it's square root 3 times x. We already found out x is 50. So it will be square root 3 times 50, which is 50 square root 3. The option number D. That's it. I think you got it then.